everyone, welcome to today's maths lesson. Now today we're thinking about multiples of a number. Now we're going to start off by thinking about our times tables. Now a multiple is when you multiply a number by an integer. Now an integer is a whole number, but it can also involve negative numbers, okay? Now we have done this before, and when you know your times tables, they are all multiples of that number. So for example, multiples of 2 include 2, 4, 6. Now I'm going to start off by playing the game that we sometimes play in class, where we try and beat the teacher. Okay, so I've started off the pattern for us, and I want us to have a race at home against me on the camera to see if you can beat me getting to the first 10 multiples of these numbers. Okay, so let's see if you can continue the pattern quicker than your teacher. Are you ready? So we're going to go 2, 4, 6, what comes next? Get set, go! And stop! Well done if you managed to beat me. Okay, on to the next one, our 3 times tables. So I've started off with 3, 6, 9. I want you to list the first 10 multiples of 3. See if you can beat me. Ready, set, go! And stop. Well, okay, on your marks, get set, go. 4, 8, 12. And stop. Well done if you managed to beat me. Okay, it's getting a bit harder now. On to our 6s, our 6 times tables. The first 10 multiples of 6. Ready, set, go! And stop. Well done if you managed to beat me. Okay, and now on to our 7 times tables, the final one. The first 10 multiples, please. Ready, set, go! Oh, and stop. Well done, everyone. Give yourselves a pat on the back for that. Okay, and then finally, guys, we're just going to look at how to find the lowest common multiple. So, for example, a question might say, what is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6? So what you would do is list the multiples of that number first, and then you're looking for the one that is common, the one that is in both of those times tables, and the lowest value number. So let's just list our multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to stop there. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And then we're going to look at both of those and notice the ones that are common. So they're in both of those times tables. So the answer is number 6. 6 is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6. I'm finding the lowest common multiple of 2 and 7. So I'm going to start off by listing my times tables. Okay. And we're going to look at what ones we have in common and the lowest value number, which is 14. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 7 is 14. Okay, and then finally, we're going to play this game that we play in class sometimes. Can you remember when we used to split the board in half and you would give me numbers and I would put them in the right position, whether they belonged to the rule or whether they didn't? Now I've added them on today. I want you to have a look at these numbers and see if you can calculate the rule. So pause the video, look carefully at these numbers. What is the rule? Why are these on this side? Why are these on this side? See if you can have a go. Okay, now hopefully what you've noticed is that all of these numbers are multiples of 2. Now remember, a multiple of 2 ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And all of these numbers follow that rule, however this side does not. So this rule was that it was a multiple of 2. Well done if you managed to guess that one. Okay, and the final one for today is to have a look at these numbers and tell me what's the rule with these compared to these numbers. What do these numbers have in common? What do you notice about those numbers? I want you to pause the video and really look carefully. Okay, hopefully you've had a go yourselves. You should have noticed that these numbers end in 5 or 0, whereas these numbers do not. So that makes this rule that these are multiples of 5. All of these numbers would be in the 5 times table. They end in 5 or 0. Good luck with your home learning, guys, and I'll see you again next week. Make sure you send your work in as well. I'm loving seeing all your hard work. So well done. I'm really proud of you all. Bye.